Here's the raw truth. 90% of people will stay broke forever. Not because they're dumb, not because the system is unfair, but because they keep falling for the same traps that no one talks about. Today, I'll expose those traps and give you a step-by-step blueprint you can start using today to escape them. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why most people stay broke and how you won't. Let's go. Trap number 1, lifestyle inflation. The moment most people make more money, they spend more. New phone, new clothes, nights out. You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because every raise becomes a reason to upgrade your lifestyle instead of your bank account. Trap number 2, debt normalization. Credit cards, car loans, buy now, pay later. People treat debt like oxygen. But here's the truth. The interest is silently robbing your future. Banks profit from your impatience. Trap number 3, no asset building. Most people only trade time for money. They never build assets that pay them while they sleep. Assets aren't just real estate. They include digital products, side hustles, or even investments in skills that make you irreplaceable. Trap number 4, wrong social circles. You stay broke when you hang around people who normalize being broke. If all your friends complain about money but never take action, you'll be stuck too. Here's exactly what you can do today to break free. Track every money today. Write down every expense for the next 7 days. Awareness is the first weapon. Cut just one unnecessary expense this week, not 10, just one. Maybe that daily soda, subscription you don't use, or Uber ride you could walk. Redirect that small saving into a savings investment account. Start an asset habit this month. Pick one asset to build. Sell one product, service online. Start a digital side hustle, like freelance, affiliate marketing. Invest in a skill course that makes you more valuable at work. Change your circle immediately. Spend more time around people who talk about opportunities, not just problems. That might mean joining an online community, mastermind, or following creators who teach wealth. I was once the guy who earned, spent, borrowed, and stayed broke. The day I wrote down every expense was the day I realized I wasn't poor. I was undisciplined. That shift alone changed my life. It will change yours too. If you're serious about never being broke again, hit subscribe right now. Comment below, I refuse to stay broke. That's your public commitment. Share this video with one friend who needs this truth. Because if you keep this to yourself, you're doing them a disservice. Don't be the 90%. Be the 10%. Subscribe, and let's win!